Depth. Our last tip is depth. Creating depth in your shots helps emphasize your subject and adds a cinematic quality. One of the easiest and most visually appealing ways to do this is to keep your background out of focus and your subject in focus, creating a shallow depth of field. Here are 3 tips to achieve depth. 1. Move your subject away from the background. The more distance between your subject and the background, the easier it is to get that blurry background, creating a nice shallow depth of field. Distancing your subject from the background enhances this effect, making your shots more dynamic and less cluttered. In addition, use lights in your background to produce those lovely bokeh balls. You can also add something in the foreground to create depth, but only when you have to.